Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8 of your moral science book, Show Presence of Mind. Presence of mind and intelligence in a crisis is the dire need in the today's world. ये आज के ज़माने में presence of mind and intelligence होना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. We also need to act bravely and intelligently and show presence of mind. Means in other words, we can say that presence of mind, intelligence and bravery go hand in hand. Children, all of us want to be success in life. We want name, fame, money, both for ourselves and our family. And for attaining these, हम लोगों को ये चीज़ चाहने के लिए we need to have certain qualities. Some of the qualities which every person should possess to become successful in life are devotion to one's work, patience, hard work, single-mindedness, self-control, obedience, kindness, punctuality, simplicity, intelligence, politeness, courage, and moreover, presence of mind. So presence of mind का मतलब क्या होता है? It is the ability to think and remain in control of oneself during a crisis when he or she is under stress. मतलब अगर कोई पर्सन कोई क्राइसिस में कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज़ में फंस जाता है देन दे हैव टू बिहेव इन अ काम वे एंड इन रैशनल मैनर टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन. ओके, सो इन आर कंट्री ऑल्सो मेनी ऑफ बहुत सारे पीपल के पास इंटेलिजेंट बहुत लोग अक्लमंद होते हैं लेकिन वो लोग उन लोगों के पास प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड नहीं होता है. In our country, India, there have been people like Birbal and Tenali Raman who were known for their presence of mind during the reign of Akbar and Krishna Dev Raya respectively. So एक बार की बात है, Akbar and Birbal asked a question in a presence of all his minister. अकबर ने बिरबल से पूछा मिनिस्टर्स के सामने कि you tell me Birbal, Which flower is the best of all flowers in the whole world? पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे बेस्ट फ्लावर कौन सा है? बिरबल without wasting any second, बिरबल replied quickly, Your Majesty, the cotton flower is the best of all flowers. Why? क्यों है? Because it provides the whole world with clothes, and this clearly shows that Birbal's presence of mind and ability to think fast. So here is a story based on this topic, that is show presence of mind. It was evening. The market was abuzz with people. Abuzz का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ था मार्केट में. So they were busy buying different things and the people were busy buying different things. Manav had a tea shop in a market. मानव का एक टी शॉप था मार्केट में. He was an honest, hard working and intelligent man. ये बहुत ही honest, hard working और बहुत ही intelligent man था. And most of the shop owners knew this. और उस मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादातर शॉपकीपर्स को पता था ये चीज़ कि जो मानव है, ये इसका टी शॉप जिसका है वो बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग, बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट मैन है. सो इट वॉज अराउंड 7 in the evening when 2 young men got off their motorbikes and entered मानव शॉप. सो व्हाट हैपन, 7 बजे का टाइम था शाम का एंड दो यंग मैन मोटर बाइक से उतरते हैं एंड दे एंटर टू मानव शॉप. दे सैट ऑन द चेयर्स एंड ऑर्डर 2 cups ऑफ टी. वो लोग चेयर पे बैठते हैं एंड 2 cups ऑफ टी ऑर्डर करते हैं. एज दे वर हैविंग टी, वन ऑफ देम हैंडेड मानव a 100 rupees नोट एंड सेड वी डू नॉट हैव एनी चेंज. सो व्हाट हैपन, वो 100 रुपये का नोट मानव को देते हैं एंड वो बोलते हैं कि हम लोगों के पास चेंज नहीं है. सो टेक दिस नोट, डिडक्ट योर अमाउंट एंड गिव अस द बैलेंस. ये नोट ले लो और जितना बैलेंस हुआ, जितना अमाउंट हुआ उससे आप कट करके जो बचा है बैलेंस दैट यू रिटर्न टू मी. मानव immediately replied, but sir, I don't have the necessary change. The man said, well, in that case, keep this note and give me ₹80. सो व्हाट हैपन, ये क्या बोलता है, मानव क्या बोलता है कि मेरे पास मेरे पास चेंज नहीं है. सो एक मैन क्या बोलता है कि ये नोट रख लो और मुझे 80 रुपीज़ दे दो. यू श्योरली मस्ट हैव दैट मच, तुम्हारे पास इतना तो होगा. सो यू कैन गिव द बैलेंस ₹8 tomorrow, और कल 8 रुपया और मुझे वापस कर देना. At this, Manav said, "Sir, give me the 100 rupee note. I'll try to get the change from the shops nearby." And the man gave the 100 rupee note to Manav. So what happened? What did Manav say? कि ये 100 rupees का नोट आप मुझे दे दीजिए. I'll ask the change from nearby shop, and जैसे ही मुझे मिलता है I'll be giving the rest of the balance. So on the way to the bakery shop, which was a few steps away, Manav wondered, why did the man give me the 100 rupee note when I clearly saw 5 and 10 rupee notes in his bag? Some customers really act strangely. So what happened? What did Manav think? क्या वो सोचता है कि वो जो मैन ने मुझे 100 रुपीज़ नोट क्यों दिया जबकि उसके पास 5 and 10 रुपीज़ के नोट थे. मानव वेंट टू मेनी शॉप्स बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली डिड नॉट गेट अ चांस चेंज. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? मानव बहुत सारे शॉप में गया बट ही डिड नॉट गेट अ चेंज. अ शॉप ओनर इवन said that the note was fake. एक शॉप ओनर बोलता है कि ये नोट क्या है? फेक है. मानव could not believe what he heard, and मानव बिलीव नहीं कर सकता था कि उसने क्या सुना. However, he realized that there was something fishy, or else why were the two men ready to take ₹80 instead of ₹88? So what happened? मानव भी सोचता है कि हाँ there was something fishy, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, बिकॉज वो जो 2 men था वो लोग 80 रुपीज़ लेने को तैयार थे इंस्टेड ऑफ 88 रुपीज़. He decided to find out the truth. So he headed straight to the police station on the other side of the market, handed over the 100 rupee note to the police inspector and said, "Sir, I suspected that this is a fake note." So what happened? वो डायरेक्टली पुलिस स्टेशन जाता है एंड ही गेव दैट 100 रुपीज़ नोट टू पुलिस एंड ही टोल्ड हिम कि आई सस्पेक्टेड, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये नोट नकली है. एंड हु हैज़ गिवन मी? द 2 men who has come to my shop. He is in my shop only. Please check it. The inspector looked at the note carefully, turning it over to check both sides. फिर इंस्पेक्टर ने चेक किया. He said, "Yes, the note is fake. नोट नकली है." Then he asked Manav where he had got the note from. मानव से पूछते कि ये नोट कहाँ से आया. मानव told everything that the 2 customers who came to his shop has given that 100 rupees note which was fake. After hearing about the incident, the inspector took 3 constables with him and headed towards the Manav shop. ये सुनने के बाद इंस्पेक्टर ने 2 कांस्टेबल को लिया and they went to the Manav shop. So Manav told, after hearing this, they went to the Manav shop. Now, meanwhile, the 2 young men had finished their tea and were waiting for Manav. वो लोग finish कर चुके थे अपना tea and they were waiting for Manav. Manav went to them and said, "Sir, take your note. I could not get the change for it. आप अपना नोट ले लीजिए, मैं ये 100 रुपीज़ नोट का मुझे चेंज नहीं मिल पाया." One of them took a note and was about to keep it in his bag when the 3 constables in plain clothes pounced on them. So what happened? वो लोग जैसे ही वो लेकर अपने पर्स में रखने लगा, the 2 constables went there and उन लोगों ने देख लिया. The 2 men were taken aback. वो लोग पीछे हो गए. Before they could understand anything, the police inspector stepped forward quickly and arrested them. Later, upon interrogation, the men confessed to having circulated 10,000 rupees worth of fake notes. So what happened? जब investigation हुआ, then the 2 men confessed that उन लोगों ने 10,000 rupees fake notes के circulate कर चुका है उन लोगों ने. They also confessed that they had 1 lakh rupees worth of fake notes at home. And what did they confessed? That they are having 10 lakh rupees of fake notes at home. घर पे रखा हुआ है. It did not take long for the news of Manav's wisdom, bravery and presence of mind to spread in the entire town. और पूरे टाउन में मानव की bravery, presence of mind and wisdom का पूरे टाउन में हल्ला हो चुका था. Everyone praised him और सब कोई उसकी प्रशंसा कर रहे थे. A month later, he was rewarded by the collector in a function organized by the senior citizen of the town, and he was also he was also rewarded by the collector in a function also. So what is your homework? I'll be providing you the difficult words. You have to write that in your copy and do the back exercises in your book, page number 61. That's all for today. Thank you.